Hey guys, welcome you all in a new video, and this video is completely dedicated to those customers who have Samsung smartphone and they have lost their smartphone's pin pattern and password lock, and they are facing problem. They want to go to the service center to unlock their smartphone, but they are worrying either their data will be saved or not. So don't worry at all. I have bring a latest method. By this method your phone will be unlocked 100% definitely, and the main thing is that your phone's all the data like photos, videos, document will be saved as it is as a smartphone. So this method is very useful for those customers. Okay, so let's start this method. Before starting this method, one thing I would like to tell you, this method is applicable for all the Samsung versions like A41, F41 and different version. You can use this method. Okay, so before starting this method, you can see here this phone is F41, Samsung F41 F41 version. Okay, so let's start this method. Firstly, you will have to charge your phone at least 30%. If you want to save your phone's all the data, you can see here this phone is charged 100%. Okay, it means this phone's all the data will be saved. Okay, so let's start this method. Starting this method, simply you will have to slide your phone upside. Now you can see here this phone is locked due to forgotten pattern lock. You can see here. Okay, so you will get an option of emergency call option. Simply you will have to click on this, and when you will click on this, I am going to give you a special security code by which your phones will switch on the offline mode, because this method only work on offline mode method. Okay, so this code what I am going to give you is only valid till the January 2024. Okay, so let's start this. This code is star hash 11 then star 693, just a minute, 693 star 4 555 star 69 hash. This is the code. You can write this code, or you may also take a screenshot to use this code in your logged smartphone. Okay, now after feeding this code, you will have to call on this secret code, and when you will call on this secret code, you will see an pop-up of can't call. So don't worry at all. After this, your phone's all the after call on this secret code, your phones will be switched to the offline mode. Okay, now after this, simply you will have to go with the back button like this. Again you will have to slide your phone upside, and again you will have to go with the emergency call option. Now the code what I am going to give you is for the purpose your phone's all the background running application. I mean to say, when your phone was not logged, I am sure you will be using your phone something application or different platform website. So all the background running applications should be closed before using this unlocking method. Okay, so you will have to feed this secret code to close all the background running applications. So I am going to give you this code. You will have to again feed this secret code, and you will have to call on this secret code to close all the background running application. And this secret code is star hash 000 then star 222 star 56 then hash. After feeding this code, you will have to call on the secret code. After calling on this secret code, your phone's all the background running application will be closed. It means after this your phone will be ready to go to the master unlocking mode code. Okay, so you will have to call on this secret code. After call on this secret code, again you will get a pop-up of can't call. So don't worry at all, your phone's all the background running applications are now closed. Now your phone is ready to go with the master unlocking mode method. Okay, after this, simply again you will have to go with the back button, and again you will have to slide your phone upside. Now you can see here still now this phone is locked. So don't worry, the last step, I mean to say the last secret code what I am going to give you, after this your phone will be unlocked 100%. I will show you in this video, so don't skip this method. Okay, and if you have skipped the previous codes and previous method, so it will not allow to unlock your smartphone. So firstly use those codes to close the background running application and to switch your phones on offline mode. After this this code will be work on your smartphone, I mean to say Samsung smartphone. Okay, so let's start. Again go with the emergency call option. Now the code what I am going to give you, mark this code, and you may also write down this code, because this code is applicable till the end of the January 2024. Okay, so let's start this. This code is star hash this is the code. Okay, star hash 312 star 9522 star 99 and hash. After feeding this code, you will have to call on this secret code. Okay, after calling on this secret code, your smartphone, your Samsung smartphone will be unlocked within second. Okay, so after this, simply you will have to call this. So I am going to call here, and again I will call here. I will get a pop-up of can't call, you can see here. Sorry, so don't worry at all. After this, your phone is completely unlocked. Now you will have to check your phone has been unlocked or not. So how will you check? Simply you will have to click on this home button to check your phone has been unlocked or not. So I am going to click on this home button. So my friend, you can see here this phone is completely unlocked, and the main thing is that whatever data in this smartphone as it is as in this smartphone, this means it means this is a data save method. Okay, so if your phone is unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video, and if a smartphone is could not unlock with the help of this video, then make us comment which type of issues you're facing to unlocking with this unlocking method. Our team will quick response on your issues. Thank you so much.